Good morning, everyone. Cindy Squirrel here. Well, I was just up-potting my survival seeds, my Mariana tomato seed plants, because you see they're getting quite big. I'm not going to do the peppers yet because they're just fine. Only 2 of my peppers grew. But out of 4 of the tomato seeds, I got 5 plants. So I guess 2 were stuck together. But I want to talk to you about all the disinformation out there. And I get sucked into it too. And it's hard. It's hard knowing what's right and what's wrong out there. And one of the things that I knew last year just didn't seem quite right. So when I dug up my tomato plants this year, I looked and I'm like, I knew it. I don't even know if I did a video, so if I did, I hope, you know, I'm sorry. But when you're up potting, so you're taking a tomato seed or a tomato plant, and they say that all these hairs grow roots. No, they don't. Those hairs stop the bugs from crawling up your plant. If there was a node on that, you know, a little node on the stem, yes, that might produce a root, but not a necessary root. It would be not one that's bringing up the nutrients. So you really don't need it. So, and then another thing is you bury it. Okay, they say, oh, bury it right up to here. And then what do when you put it out into the garden? You trim all the leaves down to the dirt. Well, I look at this plant and I say, God's already done that for me. Look at how high the leaves are. And if you're up potting and you're burying them deep, here, let me pop this one out and I'll show you. Okay, and now there's a big root system on the Marianas. Okay, look at that. Look at that root. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna up pot it and you're gonna put it way down here to the bottom of the leaves. Huh? Look where the bottom of the roots are, at the bottom of the cup. So you're not really up potting at all. You're wasting your time because roots don't grow up, they grow down. So if you put this at the top where it's supposed to be, look it, you have half that cup that you can actually grow more roots. Or you can plant it there, cover the stem, but you really haven't up potted anything. So I hope that this helps you a little bit. And happy gardening.